Hello kids, welcome to Raghu Kids TV. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. 1 1 1 1 1. Next, 2 2 2 2 2 2. Next, 3 3 3 3 3 3. Next, 4 4 4 4 4 4. Next, 5 5 5 5 5 5. Next, 6 6 6 6 6 6. Next, 7 7 7 7 7 7. Next, 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8. Next, 9 9 9 9 9 9. 10 10 10 10 10 10. Okay, great job. Kids, thank you for learning with me. See you the next video. Bye bye.